I'm CNT author Erin Hentzel, and I'm here to share with you a little tutorial on how to make a decorative button loop. It's a tutorial from my new book, Me and My 18-Inch Doll, and it's super easy to sew and can take the place of hook and eye, which allows you to add a little button on the back, and that's really cute. The buttonhole loop is from the projects in my book, the nightie and PJ set, as well as the lacy top. So let me show you how. To get started, you'll want your finished project, a needle and thread, and a button. I like to use sulky 12-weight cotton petite threads, but you can use a regular thread, just double strand the thread in your needle. To get started, you'll want to work on the back side of your project and anchor or secure your stitches by making a tiny X or just a couple stitches. Next, you'll take your needle and going under, make it come out right on the edge of the opening in the back, and then bringing it back in. You'll slide it under so it comes out right where it came in. Make your buttonhole just a little bit larger than your button. Next, you're going to want to make a little stitch here at the beginning of the loop so that the loop stays put. Now that the loop is secure, you're going to wrap the loop by taking the needle and going through the loop, making a secondary loop, and then just going through, put the needle through the secondary loop and pull tight. This is very similar to a blanket stitch. And you just keep doing this, making a secondary loop, putting the needle through, pull tight and slide down. And you keep doing this method until the loop is completely covered. It's super easy, and in no time you'll have a very cute decorative button loop that is super sturdy and allows you to use a fun decorative blank button. Once your button loop is completely covered, make sure to secure your stitches by making a couple more stitches in the back of on the wrong side of the garment so that you can tie off and cut the thread. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and try it soon. And look for my new book, Me and My 18-Inch Doll, in stores near you or on ctpub.com. Thanks.